Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay HDFC loan EMI online. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to just open your HDFC bank app and log into your account. Once you logged in, you will see this type of window. Just simply tap on these three bars in the top left corner here. And from these options, you have to tap on this pay option and then simply tap on this bill pay here. And when you are here, you will see these options. You have to scroll down and you have to tap on this loan option here, and now you have to choose the loan here. So just simply tap on this drop down here and choose the provider here. And once you select your provider, this will show you this option. So just tap on this I accept the terms and conditions and then simply tap on this confirm. This will show you this pay bill window. So from here, in this input box, enter the credit card bill that you want to pay and then click on this continue button. And once you do that, you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to pay HDFC loan EMI online. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.